This is Keith at Fields BMW. Today I'm sitting in a 2019 BMW 440, and I'd just like to show you one of the features with a car that has park distance control, specifically having to do with the tone that the car makes when you're getting close to hitting an object. What I want to show you is that the tone actually comes from the speakers closer to where the problem is. So I'm going to put the car in drive and I'm going to roll forward towards the X1 right in front of us. Now once we get close enough, you'll notice on the screen park distance will come on to warn us that we're going to hit that car. And there you go. Now aside from turning on the camera and making the sound, specifically the sound is coming from the speakers in front of us. So now if I put the car in reverse, I'm going to back up towards the vehicle on the passenger side. Park distance will start to sound the alarm. So I'm getting an audible alarm. I have the warning on the screen, but specifically the sound is coming from that side of the car so that I know exactly where the problem is. Now if I pull forward, back us up towards the car on the driver's side. Again, park distance activates, and it also only comes out of the speaker on the side that there's a problem. Very convenient, and it also helps you focus in on where you're about to get into a scrape, if you will. If you have any questions, give us a call here at Fields BMW. We're happy to help.